If you love pancakes, but also want to stay lean year-round, then I have a solution for you. Protein pancakes, which are just as delicious as regular pancakes, but they contain no added sugar and like twice as much protein. In fact, they contain 708 calories and 44 grams of protein, which is quite decent if you ask me. Okay, let's not waste any more time and start making these pancakes. Start by peeling and mashing up 2 bananas with a fork. Then add 4 eggs, 1 scoop of protein powder. I use this Cyform IPF protein powder, which contains a crazy amount of protein, 92 grams per 100 grams. 50 grams of oat flour. Oat flour is basically just blended up oatmeal, so you could make it yourself and save a few bucks. Add a pinch of salt and whisk everything up. Once everything is nicely whisked up, put the bowl in the fridge and let it rest for 10 minutes, because bowls need rest too, not only humans. Then take the bowl out of the fridge, go to the stove, heat up a pan on high heat, and start cooking the pancakes. If you have a non-stick pan, you can cook the pancakes on it without any oil to save a few calories. I like to put a few frozen berries on top of each pancake before flipping it over because it makes it moister. No one likes dry pancakes. After about 2 minutes, flip your pancakes over, cook them for 1 more minute, and once they're all done, stack them on a plate, top them with whatever you want, and enjoy. I like to top them with Greek yogurt and frozen berries, but you can top them with anything that you want. Just remember that the toppings have calories too. You can't top these pancakes with whipping cream and chocolate syrup and still expect them to have 700 calories, so be mindful of that. I hope that this video was useful to you, and if you want the full recipe written down, it will be in the description. Have an awesome day. Peace.